I'm back home and as you can see it's raining. It's so frustrating. I hate rain. It's so difficult to carry an umbrella and all. Hi, so today I woke up pretty early in the morning because I had to go to college at 10:30. I had to reach college at 10:30, and so I wanted to study a little bit before going to college because I had plans to go out after college, but that didn't happen. We just went to this donut shop near our college, and also we went to this coffee place, but it was closed. It was this really small, cute coffee place. I was so excited to go there. I've been wanting to go there for so long, but it was closed for some reason. So we will go there again sometime, but today we couldn't. And then I came back home, and now I'm going to college again because I have to go and collect one of my friend's project file because she's not in town, and so that is why I got ready and I'll leave in half an hour. Till then I'll try to study maybe because I have to study and I haven't done much since I came back from college. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.